American Eskimo dogs, despite the name, were actually developed in Germany. Their fluffy white coats and circus-ready smarts made them early showbiz stars. Plott hounds are the state dog of North Carolina and were bred to hunt wild boar. Fierce on the trail, sweet at home. Lagotto Romagnolos are the original truffle hunters of Italy. These curly-coated charmers have a nose for expensive fungi and make great family dogs. Boerboels are massive guardians from South Africa, bred to protect homesteads from everything, including lions. They're confident, calm, and built like tanks. Tibetan Spaniels aren't actually Spaniels. They were bred by Tibetan monks to act as little watchdogs in monasteries, often perched on windowsills like feline sentries.